Hello there. Here's a clip I have of a yellow-bellied sapsucker from a few years back. They're really, oh, it's next to a highway, as you can see. They're really an ingenious bird. They drill into the little holes into the tree, like in parallel lines or whatever, like little wells, and they fill up with sap, and that sap attracts insects. The insects get caught in the tree, and then the bird comes around and it collects the insects from the tree. Pretty cool. Now, okay, just listen for a second. It's gonna... Okay, did you hear that? It's like a little meow or something. It's a cute little sound that it makes, and you can see that it's a lot. It doesn't bang into the tree so much. You know, like you've seen the downies or the pileates, or you know, it's just kind of tapping the tree more. It's kind of cool too. And of course, it does what all woodpeckers do with its tail. It braces itself. It's like a third foot, gives it more anchorage or leverage when it taps the tree. So, anyways, I thought that was kind of cool, and just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching.